If your living room sounds like a zoo, congratulations, you're building literacy skills. When kids name stuffed animals, they naturally want to mimic the animal's sounds or moves. Roary the Tiger teaches roaring. Ribbit the Frog teaches hopping. And every sound they listen to, their speech is developing. Encourage your child to act out the sounds during story time. It's noisy, it's silly, and it's exactly how their brain learns to process sound and language. Let your little one roar when they're reading, or even a moo cow, moo. Have a great day.